Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Audi A1 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 55 miles per gallon. The insurance group is 21 and the mileage is just over 27,000 miles, and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Mythos Black and looks in really good condition for age and mileage. As we have a look inside on the Sport, first of all you've got your sport seats there, which are really supportive and, as you can see, in great condition. You also have the leather steering wheel there, which is really nice to hold. And then you also, on the dashboard there, you've got your pop-up display for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card, you've got your switches there for your mirrors and your 4 electric window controls. Being the 5-door version, for a small hatchback, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there. Also, the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there, nice and square, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have your adjustable floor there, which is at its lowest position at the moment, but that can be raised and you can hide bits and pieces underneath. And then underneath the boot floor, you have some storage space, as well as your first aid kit and your inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance, which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.